Have you ever tried making fried chicken at home? Yes? No? Well, today I'll be showing you a very easy recipe that's going to turn out very juicy, crispy on the outside, and super flavorful. The fried chicken is a good lunch or dinner idea that you can serve for your family over the weekend, and everyone is going to absolutely enjoy it. The ingredients are going to be very simple, and as usual, you will find the ingredients listed in the description box. So we'll start off by marinating our chicken for around 30 minutes. And over here, I have a kg of chicken drumsticks, which we are going to be making our fried chicken. So I'm going to add in a couple of spices for our marination. So I'm going to start off by grating some garlic into the bowl. Always wash your chicken before cooking. So mine is clean and ready for marination. So I'm using a grater to grate my garlic and ginger into the chicken. You can also crush with a mortar and pestle. Then I'm going to add in a thumb-sized ginger into the chicken. The garlic and ginger are going to make the fried chicken very flavorful, and also they're going to do away with the chicken smell while frying. Once you're done adding in the garlic and ginger, you're going to add in some salt and black pepper. So I'm going to start with a teaspoon of black pepper. And salt enough to season your chicken. Add in a tablespoon of buttermilk into the bowl, and using your hands, you're going to massage in all the seasoning into the chicken. The key here is to let your chicken marinate so that it can soak up all those nice flavors. So I'm going to let mine sit for around 30 minutes. If you have time, you can let the chicken marinate overnight, and it's going to give you the best results. After 30 minutes, you're going to be making your batter to coat the chicken. So in a bowl, you're going to add in some all-purpose flour, half a cup of cornstarch, which is going to help crispen up the chicken. And for my spices, I'm going to be adding in a tablespoon of onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, and cayenne, which is quite optional. Add in some baking powder. More salt to fully season the chicken, and using a whisk, I'm going to whisk in all the ingredients until fully combined. And at this point, you're going to be placing a frying pan over medium-high flame with enough cooking oil to deep fry your chicken. Once all the dry ingredients are fully combined, you're going to pick your chicken, which has marinated for around 30 minutes, and then we're going to be coating the chicken with the batter. Pick your chicken and place it in the dry ingredients and coat the chicken, pressing the dry ingredients into the chicken just like this. Shake off the dry ingredients just like this, and then you're going to place the chicken in your buttermilk. Make sure to coat every single part with the buttermilk. Shake off the excess buttermilk and place it back in the dry ingredients. Coat the chicken with the flour, which is well seasoned. Pressing down on the chicken just like this. And then I'm going to shake off the excess. And this is how your chicken should be looking like. Place the chicken on your plate, and then you're going to repeat until you're done with the rest of the chicken. Place a skewer in the cooking oil to check if the oil is hot. Once you notice bubbling, the oil is ready for your chicken. You're going to carefully place in your chicken. And don't overcrowd because you want the chicken to crispen up. When you insert the skewer and you notice roughly bubbling bubbles, the oil is too hot, so you're going to reduce the flame so that the temperature of the oil can drop so that you can cook your chicken. So you're going to be frying your chicken for around 8 to 10 minutes. I'm going to be doing the rest of the chicken. In between, you're going to use your skimmer and flip the chicken so that it can cook through. Once your fried chicken is ready, you're going to transfer to a cooling rack so that it can drip off the excess oil and also cool a little bit before serving. The chicken is very easy to prepare, it's delicious, it's flavorful, and once you have your first bite, it's going to be just over the moon. Flavor, crunch, everything in this chicken is going to be perfect. So you can serve the chicken with your favorite sauce. I'm going to be serving mine with some sriracha, which is a little bit spicy, but you can also serve with some ketchup or tomato sauce, and it's going to be delicious. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll be trying out this easy and delicious fried chicken recipe. I'm still making more chicken, but it's going to be just worth it.